Hello and welcome. This is part 3 of the wireless network deployment. In the previous video we managed to configure the wireless controller. So now if you go to the admin PC, we can see all the 3 access points are seen, and we also have wireless LAN and with one SSID, and that SSID we know the password, the pre-shared key. So let's connect some wireless devices in here, there and here. We need to go to the end devices, and from there, and the one with the wireless NIC card is the smart device. So I will put one here, then we put another one there, and the last one here. So let's call it wireless client 1. Change this one, wireless client 2, and the third one 3. So we have 3 and 3 access points. So what we need to do is to provide, when a user comes and they want to connect to the wireless service, then they have to get the SSID, and also if it's a pre-shared key, they need to have that. So here we have the wireless connectivity settings, so you can provide the settings. We have the IP, and they will get a DHCP IP. At the moment they don't have any, so you go through this, but what you need to do is the interface, wireless interface is right here, and it says the SSID is default, but ours is staff Wi-Fi. That's the SSID we're connecting. So if you go back to that machine, this is the staff Wi-Fi, and we know the pre-shared key. So let's go back to the device. We're using WPA2, that's the one, and it asks the password, and we're connecting through DHCP. So let me provide that username, the pre-shared key. When I do that, I would save. So I provided the pre-shared key. I need to flap the IP assignment so it gets the configuration automatically. So you see it's capturing the VLAN 30. So the wireless device is now connected to the access point. And the other one also we do the same. Here we also provide the same configuration. So for the wireless, and we provide the NIC card of wireless 0. Provide the name of SSID and staff Wi-Fi. Use the pre-shared key. Again, let me provide that one. I provided that. So for the IP, again, flap, and that should get the 30. It got 23. That device is also connecting, so it did show it's connecting to that access point. Okay, so when the users roam in an office, whatever access point they're close to will get the handed over traffic. So this one was connected to that access point, and for some reason it decided to jump to this, and that one is in that floor. It's a simulation, but it's connecting to this access point. So it depends on how the handover happens. But now we have a network that contains a wired network, all the PCs connected through a wire to a switch, and then access points connected back to the infrastructure, VLANs across the switches, routing on the device here on that router, and the users from here, they can access all the other services. So there you go. You have 3 parts of the wireless deployment, and thank you again for your time, and see you in another video.